Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your MT5 to enable you execute trades easily. Now I'll be recording with my Android because I figure the Android version is more complex compared to the iPhone version. So if you're using an iPhone you can follow the same procedure, right? So simply go to your Apple Store and type MT5, right? And go ahead and install the application. I already have mine installed, so I'm going to click on open, right? When you open the page or the application, you're going to have to accept their terms, right? Now I've done that already, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on add trading account. When you do this, you're going to have this page displayed before you, right? If you have a brokerage account already, you're going to go ahead and find the provider, right, of your brokerage account. So let's say I have an account already with Xness, right? Xness is my broker. So I'm just going to type Xness and select Xness within my region, right? These are Xness in different region. This is for UK, so I'm just going to go ahead and select UK and put in my login information, right, and my password, right? And once you do that, you're going to be logged on to your brokerage account. But I'm not doing that in this video. I just want to create a demo account because some of you are new traders, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on add account, and then I'll click on meta quotes, right? And I'll click on open a demo account. I already filled in my information, right? My first name, my second name, and all that. Now my date of birth here is not correct, so don't pay attention to that. So once you do that, you're going to, now here you can select the amount you want, right? You can select $3,000. The lowest here is $3,000 and the highest is $500,000. So let's say I want a $500,000 account, right? I mean, you can dream big, right? Get used to trading big accounts. So once you select the amount you want, you click on accept, right? And also, okay, this is not needed, right? You don't need to do anything here. So you just click on register afterwards and you click on done. And there you have it. I have my $500,000 account, right? Is it? Yeah, 500,000, right? Now, if you look at the base of my phone, you're going to see trade history, messages, charts, and quotes, right? Now, the history would show you all of your trades, right? All of your executed trades. If you take a trade and you close the position, it's going to appear here. And if you look to the top right, you're going to see a calendar icon. You click on it. It will show you all your data, right, for the selected date range, right? So and whenever you execute a trade, this is the page it's going to appear, right? So the next thing here, the next feature here is charts. Okay. Now, just like you have chart on your trading view, you also have chart here on your MT5, right? So you can actually analyze here on your MT5, just that it's more complex compared to your trading view application. Your trading view application has more tools, right, that will make your chart a lot easier. But if you want to, use tools here, you just simply tap on your screen. When you tap on your screen, you're going to have all of these are time frames, right? This M5, M15, you can go ahead and select any of the time frame. Let's say I want to select 30 minutes time frame. I'm going to go ahead and select M30. I'll tap on my screen again, and then if I want to change back to 1 hour time frame, I'll click on H1, right? You can select, that's how you change. And if you want to probably maybe do some analysis, you click on either of these icon, pick the tool you want to select, and then you can start your analysis, your lines. Let's say I want to draw a trend line right now. I'm just going to pick this tool right here and I'll draw my trend line, right? So yeah, and I'll draw my trend line. So you can actually do your analysis here, and then looking at the top, you can see the sell and buy here. Right now, this sell and buy you're seeing right here, you can actually remove it. You remove it by clicking on this icon on the top left, on the top right, sorry. If you click on it, it will go away. If you tap it, it will come back, right? Now, for those that stack, for the stackers, right? For those that want to add multiple positions, this is the best feature for you, right? Because you don't have to manually add position. All you need to do is just be clicking on the buy, or sell. But before you do that, you're going to have to accept their terms, then you agree. So now if I want to open multiple positions on euros now, on euro USD now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on buy. I'm just going to open multiple positions, right? I'm just going to be clicking on multiple positions, right? And let's go back. You can see I've opened multiple positions now, right? Let's say I want to add more positions, or let's say I want to increase my lot size to add more position. I'll just go ahead and click on more buys, right? I'll click on more buys, and then I'll come back, and you see I have more positions now. You can see that, right? You can see that. So this is how you actually add position from the chart interface, right? So let's go to the quotes. Now the quotes is where you have your trading instruments, right? So these are all my this is the default watch list, right? So I have here Euro USD, GBP USD, and the likes. Now, if you don't like any of the default watch list, you can edit it, right? Now, if you want to add more, you click on the plus sign. Let's say I want to add gold. Let's say I want to add gold. I'll just type the symbol for gold, right? And then I'll click on it. Let's say I want to add BTC as well. I want to add BTC. Okay, I don't have BTC on this one. Okay, this is BTC, right? Let's say I want to add Ethereum, ETH, right? That's Ethereum, right? So you see now I have BTC. Okay, this is actually not the BTC I was looking for. Now, so if you want to remove any of this pair from your watch list as well, you click on this pencil icon at the top right, and then you click on this delete icon as well, and you select the pairs you want to delete, right? You select the pairs you would like to delete, right? And then when you're done selecting, you simply click on the icon again. You can see now I have a concise watch list now. So these two price you see here, right? If you observe closely, each of these pair has two prices, right? Now, what this means, the first price is the bid price. That's the amount people are bidding for the product at a particular time, right? Or for this instrument or for the pair, right? And then the second price is the ask price, right? So now the difference between the bid and the ask price is what gives you the spread. So if you subtract the ask price from the bid price, what you're going to have is the spread. Now, what is the spread? The spread is actually the commission. This is how the broker makes their money, right? The commission they charge you per lot size or per open position, right? Whenever you trade, you're always going to be charged. It's more like your transaction fee, right? Now, how do you tell if a pair has a high spread or a low spread? Now, let's use Euro USD, for example, which is the first one here, Euro USD. Just look beneath Euro USD, you're going to see 10, then hyphen 43, then 00, and then a symbol and 4, right? Now, the 4 you're seeing there is the spread, right? So Euro USD has a very low spread. In fact, it has the lowest spread here. I think for GBP USD is 6, AUD USD 8, then NZD is 13, USD card 6, 5, it's fluctuating, then gold is 14, right? So it means Euro USD has the lowest per year. It means that if you trade USD, you are going to have less transaction fee. It means you will not be charged high for your you will not be paying high commissions for any trade you execute on Euro USD, right? Now, there are some pairs that have really high spread, right? For example, look at this is USD ZAR. This is South African currency, right? USD against South African currency. You can see the spread of this particular pair, right? This is 2,546 I mean, if you trade this pair, you're going to be paying so much more, right? Compared to other persons that are trading just euro and it's not just this pair, right? They are pair like USD CHF, right? USD CHF. Okay, USD okay, it has low. This is just 13. I mean, this is good. Let's look for another pair that has really high. Um, okay, let's see. Okay, this is USD Norwegian currency. Okay, this has 200. This has 200, right? So now this is how you identify pairs with high. When you add them, you just check the spread, right? So any pair that has a high spread, please don't trade it. Don't trade it. Except maybe you have a high probability setup that guarantees return, that you know that okay, this trade is going to actually give you a good return, right? So also, if you look to the top left, you're going to see 3 lines here, and these 3 lines here you can add another account. You click on this plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you add another account. You can open another demo account, or you can add your brokerage account, whichever you want. And please, let me just say this, my South African brothers, please, this is not I don't know, this is not targeted at you, right? This is just for educational purpose, just to help you manage your commissions, right? I have nothing against South Africa. I love South Africa so much. It's one of my favorite destinations. So please. Then the next thing, oh, you can see I'm in good profit here already with these positions I took. I'm $200 up already. So the next thing here is how to open positions, right? Let's say we want to open position on Euro USD, for example. You click on Euro USD and then you click on new order. You click on new order. Now the default order is instant execution. This instant execution is what I did when I opened those positions, right? It means if I click on buy right now, right, it means the trade has been, you can see it, you can see that it's in a loss, right? Just a little loss right here. So once you click on instant execution, you are buying at the current market price, right? So if you don't want to buy at the current market price, let's say you've done your analysis on your trading view and you want to buy at a specific price, right? Now we're going to click on this buy limit. You'll be using buy limits. You click on buy limit, you type in the amount, right? You type in the price you're buying. Okay, let's quickly go to my trading view so we understand what I'm saying. Where is Euro USD? This is Euro USD. Let's say after doing my analysis, right, I want to buy at, let's say where's my buy position? I'm just going to use my buy to my long position to, let's say I want to buy at this price right here, and then my stop loss is here, right? So it means my entry price now, this line here, this one you're seeing here is my entry, and then the end of this buy position, the end to the downside, is my stop loss. So my entry price for this will be 1.04693. So I'll come here and I'll type 1.04693, and then I'll go back again, pick my stop loss 04528, right? My SL is your stop loss, right? And then I'll put 1.04, let me check it again, 528, right? 528, right? So this is my stop loss, and then my take profit, I'll go back again, and my take profit, the take profit is the end of these of the upper side, right? Since it's a buy position, so my take profit will be what? Will be 4971, right? Will be 1.04971, right? So I'll just go ahead now. Okay, you can see placed, right? You can see that my order has been placed. So if I want to check it out now, I'll tap on it and then swipe to the left, and I'll click on this chart icon, right? I'll just tap on it, and you can see the position here, right? So it means I'm risking $165, right, to gain $278, right? It means if the trade eventually become a losing trade, I'm going to lose this amount, and if it becomes a winning trade, I'll be winning this amount, right? So you can see my take profit. If I want to adjust my take profit, I'll just tap on it, and then I'll drag it up, right? And when I drag it up, I'll click on this arrow sign, this just look at the base of my phone, you're going to see delete SLTP and then an arrow sign. I'm just going to click on the arrow and then I'll click on modify, right? Once I click on modify, I'll click on done. Sorry. Now my take profit has been adjusted. Also, if I want to adjust my stop loss, I can also drag it down or drag it up, right? When you do that, you click on the arrow sign and then you modify as well, right? Also, if I want to move this position I'm buying, I can either move it down or upwards, whichever way I want to move it, right? Let's say I want to move it down a bit, I can move it down and then I click on this arrow again and I'll modify, click on done. You can see it has been adjusted, right? So this is how you set your buy limit. Likewise, your sell limit. Let's say you want to set your sell limit as well. You tap this zone, you tap where you see instant execution, you click on the sell limit, you go back to your trading view. This time around, we are not buying anymore, so we are going to use our sell position now. You click on the short position tool, right? You place it where you want to sell from, and then you also set it to your stop loss as well, and then your TP, right? So for this trade, for this sell position, my entry price is 0.5117, right? So I'll type in 0.5117, right? And then I'll go back again. My stop loss is 1.05213, right? Then my stop loss is 1.05213, and then my take profit, this is my take profit here. This is my take profit. So this my take profit now is 1.04881, right? 4881. So 1.04881. So I'll go ahead and click on place, right? And done. Now you can see I have my buy position placed and my sell position placed. So buy limit and sell limit. So I'll swipe again, click on this icon again to take me back to the chart. So you can see I have my sell limit here. You can see the sell limit, right? And then you see my take. If I want to adjust any of these things, I'll just drag it, right? And then I'll click on this arrow again and modify it and click on done, right? So this is how you set your buy position and your sell position on the MT5, right? Now, if you want to close a trade, now for the iOS users, for the iPhone users, if you want to close a trade, you can hold one of the trade and you just press it. You're going to have all these options, right? To close position. If you modify position, the modify position is where you want to change your stop loss. Let's say you want to change your stop loss or add a stop loss to a position, right? Now you come again, you press it. If you want to close a position, you just simply click on close position. Let's close this position now. I'm going to click on close with profit. I've closed it. You can see that, right? I'm just going to click again and I'll be closing the positions manually. Now for the iPhone users, now you can actually close all the position in once, right? When you have the option there to close all position, you can do that. But for the Android users, you don't have that option. So you're going to close manually, right? Okay, bulk operation. You can actually use bulk operation. Okay, yeah. Android guys. It's on Android as well. You can click on close all positions, right? Let me go ahead and close all positions. All my positions have been closed. You see, I made $500 profit, right? So I've closed all positions. So I'm going to come back to history, and then there you go, right? I have all the history here. You see my profit. You see my profit for today. You can see that. So this is how you use your MT5, right, to execute trades. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can always get valuable information like this. Thank you for watching.